I'm making Amazon affiliate commissions every single day, and I'm doing it with faceless TikTok videos that I never filmed, never edited, and never recorded myself. No showing my face, no buying expensive cameras, no spending hours editing. I'm using an AI tool called ClipWise, and it creates the full TikTok videos for me in under few minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method so any beginner can copy this and start promoting Amazon affiliate links on TikTok starting today. Now look guys, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and just this month, just in 12 days, I have made $8,511. This is summary here, this is my commissions, and this is my bunches over here, okay? And I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know exactly what's working right now in 2026, and what's working is AI, okay? But first, most people who try affiliate marketing on TikTok are doing it completely wrong. They are recording themselves on camera, they are reposting other people's videos, and they are spending hours editing, and they are getting zero results. What I'm about to show you is the new method using AI in 2026. You give ClipWise your Amazon product, it writes your script, creates a video, add voiceover and editing, and you just need to post the video, okay? Stay until the end because I'm going to show you every single step, including the exact type of Amazon product that converts best on TikTok right now. So step number one, guys, you need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. For people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, you guys need to join Amazon affiliate program. So what you will do, it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Amazon associate, click on the first link like this, and it's gonna take you guys to this page. Click on sign up here like this, and you will be in this page again. Just click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. As you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. So the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to follow a few steps. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliates. So this will be your Amazon affiliates account dashboard. You should see here your summary, your commissions, and your bunches over here, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose, guys, a good product that converts better on TikTok, okay? And what you will do next is you will go to amazon.com, open your amazon.com website like this, and search for skincare product. Those products, guys, convert better on TikTok, and they are getting crazy sales, and the videos on TikTok can go viral and make you a lot of commissions, okay? You guys can see that those products, guys, they are getting crazy sales on Amazon. Look at this one here. Over 50,000 people paid for this one just in the past month, okay? They are getting crazy sales. Look at this one here. Over 100K. You see this, guys? Over 100K people paid for this product in the past month. And those products, guys, have a high demand, okay? People are paying, they are getting crazy sales on Amazon, as you guys can see. So what you will do next, you need to choose one of those products, okay? So let's pick one as an example. Let's choose like this one, okay? You guys can see this one, Anua. This product, guys, got over 10,000 sales in the past month, which is good. So I will choose this one. Just click on the product that you guys want to promote, and you will be, guys, in this Amazon product page, as you guys can see, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to create a TikTok video about this product that you will use to promote this Amazon product on TikTok, okay? And to create this TikTok video, guys, what we will use is we will use ClipWise, okay? The link of ClipWise AI will be in my video description, and ClipWise AI is a powerful tool that helps affiliates create high converting UGC style ad videos in minutes. It turns simple ideas into an engaging, scroll stopping content perfect for promoting your affiliate products on TikTok, not just on TikTok, on Pinterest, on YouTube Shorts, also on Facebook Reels, Instagram. And you can save time, boost conversions, and scale your affiliate marketing easy, okay? So once you click on the link, it will take you to this page. Scroll down and go over here to video tools and click on this one, guys, UGC talking head, okay? Click on this one and you will be, guys, in this page over here, okay? So what you will do next here is you need to give your script. You need to put here your script, and you need to put some info about the product that you want to promote on TikTok. Okay, let's start here with the script. So what you will do here, go back to this Amazon product page and scroll down, over here to about this item. This is the product description. You will copy this description just like this, copy this description, go to ChatGPT, okay, and ask him to turn this Amazon product description into script for UGC ad video that you will use to promote this product on TikTok, and paste this Amazon product description here. Okay, ChatGPT guys will give you the script. Okay, so here is your script guys. Okay, you see this one, point of your skin finally. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this script, just copy guys this script like this, and go back to ClipWise and put your script here. Okay, like this, scroll down, and you have here directive instruction. This is optional, and you can scroll more down and click here on upload image. And what you will do is you will go back to this Amazon product page, click on this picture of the product that you want to promote, double click on save image, save this product to your laptop. Okay, save this image to your laptop, go back to ClipWise, click on upload image. Okay, and upload your product image that you want to promote. Okay, it's easy like this, open, and here you go. Okay, click on select product, and here you go, scroll down. Here you can put product description, it's also optional. What you need to focus on is your script. Okay, this is what you need to focus on. Okay, scroll down. What you will do here, you will click here on English and choose your language that you want to use. Okay, if you want to get this video in English, choose English. You can choose Spanish, Portuguese, and so on. Okay, so I will keep choosing English. Click on select voice, and here choose your voiceover that you want to use. So let me pick one.
She tore her gaze away from her ruined.
Bella, we have really a lot here guys. Okay, you see,
Hi there.
I will choose guys this one. I will click on this one here, Arbella. Okay, I will select the voiceover that you want. Okay, so just click on select voice. So for me, I selected this one, and click here on select actor and choose your actor that you want to use guys. So let's pick one, they have a lot, so let's pick this one. I will choose this one guys over here, select actor, click on select actor, here you go, click on select location and choose your location. Since this product is skincare, we will go over here to location and we will go to bathroom. So for me it's best. Okay, since it's related to skincare niche. Okay, let's do it in the bathroom. Okay, I will choose this one, looking good. So click on select location here, and here you go. So once you finish, you add in all your info about the product that you want to create a video about. Once everything is done, just scroll down and click on generate video over here like this. Okay, so just click on generate video, and your video guys, your TikTok video will be done just in few minutes. I'll show you the results once it's done. And here you go guys, our ad UGC video is done, so let's check it out.
I started using this simple 3-step glass skin routine, and honestly, my skin looks so much healthier. Step 1 is the cleansing oil. It cells away makeup, sunscreen, and extra oil without making my skin feel greasy. And it does its clogged pores, which is a huge plus. Then I go in with the gentle foam cleanser with heart leaf extract. It leaves my skin feeling clean and hydrated, not dry or tight like some cleansers do. And this is the serum everyone keeps talking about. It has TXA and niacinamide to help with dark spots, an uneven skin tone, and it absorbs super fast.
And here you go, as you guys can see, this is a professional ad UGC video that you guys can use to promote Amazon affiliate products on TikTok. Not just on TikTok guys, you can also use this video and double your traffic, double your commissions by promoting the same video also on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest, and also YouTube Short. Okay, and you can double your traffic and double your commissions. That's exactly what I'm making. Okay, that's exactly my methods. It's by using all social media platforms to double the traffic and double my commissions. And you can use ClipWise to create those ad UGC videos. Those will be your own videos, so you will not get any problems with Pinterest or with Amazon. This will be your own video that you can go and use it to promote Amazon affiliate products as an Amazon affiliate marketer. So you can use this video and promote it on TikTok, promote those products, guys, on TikTok. Those videos about skincare, they are getting crazy traffic on TikTok, guys. You guys can see here, okay? Like, look, you guys can see, look at this one here, 6 million views. Look, those videos, guys, are getting like crazy traffic. So the link of ClipWise AI will be in my video description. You guys can go and try it and start making your own UGC ad videos that you guys can use to promote your Amazon affiliate products on social media platforms. And also, guys, if you want to promote this product as an ad post on social media platforms, you guys can go back to your ClipWise homepage like this, okay, and go to quick video tools and click on this one, static posts. Okay, just click on this one like this. You can create an ad viral post that you guys can use to promote the same product, like on Facebook post, Instagram post, and more. Okay, so once you click, you will be in this page here. You guys can click here on select product like this and click on add new product, and you will see this page here. You can see it's super easy and simple. So what you will do here, you will go back to this Amazon product page that you want to promote and just copy the link of this Amazon product. Okay, copy this Amazon product link and go back to ClipWise and just paste this product link here and click on get details, okay, like this. So then you will see, guys, this bar here. Okay, so what you will do next is you will scroll down. So this is all the details about the product that you are promoting. Okay, you will get all the info about the product that you want to promote. Okay, here you go. So what you will do here, you will click on save change. Okay, so just click here on save change. Then you will see this bar again. So what you will do next, you will scroll down. You have here add format. So if you want to promote this product on Instagram story, you can choose this format. You have Instagram feed, Facebook feed, Twitter post, LinkedIn post, and Pinterest pin. Okay, let's pick it. Let's choose, for example, Instagram story. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go over here to add theme. Okay, and click on this one. And what you will do here, you will choose your ad theme that you want. Okay, so for example, guys, I will choose like think like this one, the first one. Okay, so just click on the theme that you want, select add theme like this, and here you go. Here you have variation, you have two. I will keep it two. And here you have language, of course, English. So you have here also this one, guys, custom instruction. It's optional if you want. Okay, and once you add all your info here about the product that you want to promote, just click on generate post. Okay, so just click here on generate post, and here you go. Your ad post will take just few seconds and will be done. I'll show you guys the results once it's done. And here you go, guys. This is your result. Let's check. You guys can see you can get an ad post viral, high quality, that you guys can use to promote like on Instagram story, Pinterest pin picture, and more. Okay, like this. If you want to download this ad picture to your laptop, just click on download over here and it will be downloaded into your laptop. Then you can go and use it to promote the same products also on other social media platforms. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, you can also check their pricing plan. They have really good pricing for those. You have 3 package. You guys can see here: starter, most popular, and business. Okay, you guys can check, and the link of ClipWise AI will be in my video description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.